Hi guys, I want to share with you one of the most memorable experiences I've had this day. Dumalo tayo sa first month sa rin ng WCC Waray Content Creator. Bago lang tong group namin and luckily is naging member ako. Shoutout pala sa founder namin na nag-invite sa akin. Bumiyahe pala tayo mula Boracay, Leyte. Habang nasa biyahe ako, honestly marami akong naiisip. Worth it kaya ang pagpunta? Kamusta kaya ang mga makakasama ko? Kasi syempre, bago pa lang ako sa grupo at halos wala pa akong kilala. But then I realized sometimes you just have to step out of your comfort zone to meet people who can become part of your journey. By the way, sobrang ganda ng panahon. It was a perfect day to travel. And parang blessing na rin yun para mas maging memorable ang buong event. Walang awkwardness, walang OP moment. Everyone was so welcoming, approachable, and friendly. Doon ko na-realize na ang WCC is more than just a group of content creators. It's a community, a family, where everyone support each other's passion. Special thanks din sa founder ng group na si Kaborikat Jan Vlog. Makikita mo talaga ang dedication niya sa pagbuo ng isang healthy community para sa mga content creators. Napaka-friendly niya at ramdam mo na gusto niya maging komportable ang bawat member.
Basta waray, magrasa mahusay, aray ka! So ano pa ma'am, paano ng page WCC, Waray ng Content Creator?
One of my favorite parts of the event was meeting different bloggers and content creators. Iba-iba kami ng niche, style at content, pero iisang goal namin, to inspire people, entertain our audience, and continue growing together. The whole event was full of positive energy. May introductions para mas makilala ang bawat isa, picture taking para may memories ka ring maiuwi, fun games, exciting activities, at syempre may mga prizes din para sa mga mananalo. Ang daming tawanan, kwentuhan at good vibes. Hindi mo talaga mararamdaman na boring ang event dahil very organized ang buong program. Isa rin sa mga highlights ay ang official WCC jersey and shirts para sa mga members at officers. It's more than just a shirt. It's a symbol na kabilang ka sa isang community na nagtutulungan at nagtataas ng isa't isa. May mga certificates din na ibinigay bilang appreciation sa effort at suporta ng bawat member. Being a content creator is not about competition. It's about connection. Mas masarap ang journey kapag may mga taong handang sumuporta, mag-share ng ideas, bigay ng advice at mag-celebrate ng success mo kahit gaano pa kaliit o kalaki yun. Lahat naman tayo nagsimula sa 0 followers, 0 views at minsan 0 confidence. Pero every upload, every mistake, every lesson at every experience, unti-unti tayo nag-grow. And remember this, don't create content just to go viral. Create content that creates value. Kasi ang views pwedeng mawala, ang trends pwedeng lumipas, pero ang impact na maiwan mo sa ibang tao, yun ang tunay na success. If you're a content creator who's losing motivation, don't stop, keep creating. Hindi mo alam kung sinong nai-inspire ng mga videos mo. Minsan kahit isang tao lang maabot mo, malaking bagay na yun. Shoutout nga pala sa lahat ng members ng WCC. Sa mga members na nag-effort mag-donate ng foods, mga sponsors, mga nagbigay ng time, nakisaya, nag-effort makapunta para masumaya at memorable itong event na to. Again, thank you so much sa buong Waray Content Creator. And that's it for today's video. Follow for more.